Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated steps on how to block someone in a WhatsApp community. Whether you're managing a group or simply looking to prevent unwanted interactions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once inside, locate the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. This tab is your gateway to all the communities you're part of. Next, select the community where the contact resides. Within that community, tap on the specific group that includes the contact you wish to block. This will bring up the group chat interface. Now, tap on the name of the group at the top of the screen. This opens the group's information page, where you can access various settings and details about participants. Scroll down until you reach the Participants section. Here, you'll see a list of all members in the group. Locate the contact you want to block and tap on their name. This action will open their profile or contact details. Once their profile is displayed, tap View Contact to access further options. At this stage, you'll find the option to block them. Simply tap Block and confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. The contact is now blocked, and they'll no longer be able to interact with you in that community or send messages directly to you via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their WhatsApp communities.